Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings. Now in those settings, you guys want to adjust the brightness. So go to display. Now go over to the brightness, and here make sure that you disable adaptive brightness first. Now you can adjust your brightness however you like. As you guys can see, it's flickering because of the camera, but normally it's not. Now what you guys can do after adjusting your brightness and adaptive brightness, you go over into the Play Store. So you go to search. Now search for screen, then dimmer, and then OLED saver. You download the first app right here made by Ruhacks. It's the 4.4 star and 100k plus downloads. It's only 1.5 megabytes. As you guys can see, it's installing pretty quick. We're gonna click open right here and then give these permissions. So the first one, to control our screen brightness. The next one is to update the overlay whenever we turn on our keyboard or just rotate our screen. So we want to allow it. And the last one, notifications, to display the brightness bar in the notifications. Now as you guys can see, you guys can adjust it, and of course you got the bar right here. They can also change the dimming width, and after that, if you don't want it, you just tap here, but then remember to change your brightness if you have to. Go to settings as a last resort, and here scroll down to software update. So the last resort is check the software update. As you guys can see, I'm checking for updates now. My software is up to date, and if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. You will have a button at the bottom right here, and it's very important to update because you don't want old glitches to be laying around on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.